Hey folks, Saksham this side from AceIPM. Quick little update about IIM Indore's IPM cutoff. They are finally out. If you come on the website, click on RTI information, you can see the cutoffs here. The cutoff in short answer and MCQ have dropped from last year. However, in the verbal ability section, it has risen as expected already. So for general, it is 12, 39, 125. For the remaining categories, you can see it over here. Now, in terms of how do you get to know whether you have qualified and whether you have cleared these cutoffs or not? Well, first of all, you were given a response sheet. If you have already calculated your score, that score is final. There was no change after the objections were raised. So in that case, you can see for yourself if you are clearing these cutoffs. Also, of course, IIM Indore will also separately release their checker over here. So after maybe within an hour's time, you will have an option over here wherein you can log in and see whether you have qualified or not. So in case you are shortlisted, well and good, it will show you as shortlisted. And if in case you are not, it will show you your scores. People who have been shortlisted, they are not shown their scores. Also, if in case you are shortlisted, you will also receive an email telling you about the further process and how do you sign up for the interview and all those process. So that will be there. Also, if in case you have been shortlisted, if you are meeting the criteria, you can also enroll with our interview preparation program. It just costs 399, gives you 3 mock interviews, and it can be game changer in terms of your final leg of preparation. So do check it out. That's about it. Thank you so much. All the very best, and bye bye.